Well, you know what time it is. Time to give one of these away. So let's get the camera down and get into it, right? Okay, out of 111, I believe it said, views, only 8 people commented and wanted to win this. That's not good, but that does up everybody's odds of winning, right? So let's get the computer or the camera over here to the computer and pick a winner. Okay, I hope you can see that. You see it? I got the video loaded in here. It says only 8 comments, so let's pick a winner. Gilman's Garage. He commented and he put the right word in the comment, so you are the winner. All right, we're going to try it again. Pick one more. Fun Seeker Friends with Crafts. That is Arnie. Arnie, you won. Okay. There you have it. Gilman's Garage, you won one. And Arnie, you won the other one. I'm going to go ahead and give both of them away. So what you need to do is you need to email me your address, and I'll get these sent out as soon as I can. After you give me your address, of course. Now, on my About page, hold your horses. When you go to my YouTube channel, you'll see a little thing that says more, and you'll see a PayPal link lit up in blue. It also says, and 7 more links. I'm pretty sure you can click on either one. You can. You just scroll down past the links all the way to the bottom, and you'll see channel details. You'll see my email address. I say you will. Oh yeah, it says, well, you got to sign in. You got to be signed in to see an email address. I'm not signed into my account right this minute. But if you sign in, it'll show my email address. Just email me your mailing address so I can ship these things out to you, and I'll get them sent out as soon as I can. Can't believe there was only 8 comments out of 111 views. Either people didn't watch the video all the way to the end, or they didn't want it. I don't know. But that's okay, I guess. Better odds for everybody else, right? Didn't want to advertise it as a giveaway per se, because then you'll have people coming in just to win the giveaway, and when they don't win, they move on. You know, not required to be a subscriber to win this. So just needed to say that. And it's in no way affiliated with YouTube. So anyway, congratulations to the 2 winners. Email me your address. I'll get them sent out to you as soon as I can. And thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.